In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this frame slam effect in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so make sure your clips are 10 frames each. Now drag your second clip over above your first clip 3 frames before it ends. Repeat the same process for the rest of your clips. Okay, so now go in Open Effects, type Transform. Drag and drop the transform effect on the second clip. Go on the first frame of the second clip, Effects, Position Y, change the value to 0.500. Okay, make a keyframe. Go on the last frame of the first clip, make this value 0. Right, now come down below in Animation, max out the motion blur. Now repeat the same process for rest of your clips. Okay, this is the frame slam effect in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you add this effect in your videos. My name is Ameya and I will see you in the next video.